Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 6 here in online study of mathematics. We are studying chapter 3 factors and multiples, and our today's topic is to find least common multiples, means LCM. In our previous video we studied how to find the HCF of the given numbers by 4 different methods. So in this video you will study least common multiples. So start our topic with the definition. LCM of two or more numbers is the number which is least. Least means smaller, सबसे छोटा number among all the common multiples. Yes, do you know the meaning of multiples? Yes, we have studied in this chapter factors and multiples. And the multiples which are common are known as common multiples. So, according to this definition, the least common multiple of two or more numbers is that number which is smallest among all the common multiples. तो बच्चों हमें नेम से ही पता चल जाता है that we have to find common multiples. और वो common multiple जो छोटा होगा that will be the required LCM of two or more than two numbers. There are three methods to find LCM of two or more than two numbers. First method is listing multiple methods. Second method is prime factorization method. And third method is common division method. So in this video we are going to study the first method, that is listing multiples method. According to its name, what we understand, we have to list the multiples. हमें multiples लिखने होंगे given numbers के, और उन multiples में से जो multiple common होगा और सबसे छोटा होगा वही LCM होगा two or more than two numbers का, according to the definition of LCM. So here is your example how to find LCM by listing the multiples. This is your first method to find LCM. According to this example, find the LCM of 4 and 6 by listing multiple methods. Its solution. First of all, we need to find the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. By writing multiples of 4, we understand that we have to write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. These are the multiples of 4. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 means we need to write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, and so on. Up to infinity. Yes, we can write up to infinity. But according to the definition of least common multiple, we have to find the smallest common multiple. We can say that in place of LCM, we need to find the smallest common multiple. So we have written multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. After writing multiples, we will find out the common multiples. Common multiples are 12 and when we continue to write the table of 4, we will get 24. After that we will get 28, then 32, and then 36. So 36 is here and 36 is also here. So we have, and 24 is also. So we have written first common multiple as 12, second common multiple as 24, and third common multiple as 36. Similarly, we can find more common multiples of 4 and 6. But we will stop after writing 2 or 3 common multiples. Why? Because there is a reason. According to the smallest common multiple, first we have found multiples. These are the list of multiples. Then we have found common multiples. These are the common multiples. And now third, the last point, we will find the smallest. And among 12, 24 and 36, 12 is the smallest common multiple. So LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to 12, because it is the smallest common multiple of 4 and 6. Students, now I am repeating this method. If still you have any problem, just listen to my words carefully. In the least common multiple method, हमें given numbers जो 2 भी हो सकते हैं या 2 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, उनके कॉमन मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करने हैं. और कॉमन मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करने के बाद जो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे उनकी एक लिस्ट बनाएंगे, और उस लिस्ट में से जो मल्टीपल सबसे छोटा होगा दैट विल बी अर रिक्वायर्ड LCM. In short, least common multiple means smallest common multiple. Both are same things, and in short we will write it as LCM. So in this, according to this name, if you don't want to learn what you have to do in this method, listen students, there are so many concepts in mathematics which you need to understand. If you will try to learn the concept, if you will try to learn the method, then there will be chances that you will forget it in future. And if you will not doing its practice, then you will forget the concept. So ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर एवर. आप ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए जो आपके लाइफ में आप एक बार अगर अच्छे से समझ जाते हैं तो इन फ्यूचर आपको दोबारा वो भूल ना जाए और आपको वो दोबारा स्टडी ना करना पड़े. इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग ऑफ लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. लीस्ट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट, सबसे छोटा. कॉमन मीन्स जो कॉमन हो दोनों में, और मल्टीपल मीन्स यू नो मल्टीपल. Because in this chapter, when we start this chapter, we studied factors and multiples in detail. So in this method we will start it by reverse order. जब हमने लिखा था स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल तो हमने लेफ्ट से राइट लिखा था, लेकिन जब हम क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने लगते हैं तो हम राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ चलते हैं. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे मल्टीपल्स. वी हैव राइट डाउन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 एंड मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6. मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 और मल्टीपल ऑफ 6, इसका मतलब होता है हमें 4 का टेबल लिखना होगा और हमें 6 का टेबल लिखना होगा. हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया मल्टीपल. अब हमें जाना है कॉमन. कॉमन मल्टीपल. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आर 12, 24 एंड 36, और उनकी हमने एक लिस्ट बनाई. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 एंड 6 आर 12, 24 एंड 36. Second step is also completed. Now move on to our third and the last step. Smallest. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. Least. Least is also, they are same meaning. Least and smallest means सबसे छोटी value. And in this list of 12, 24 and 36, 12 is the smallest number. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to 12. I hope guys you can understand least common multiple by listing multiple method. I am giving you few questions as your homework. Find LCM of the following. A part 6 and 8. You have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. B part LCM of 12 and 15. C part LCM of 10 and 30. D part LCM of 3 and 5. By which method? By this method, finding LCM by listing the multiples. So students, please subscribe my channel, like and comment on the videos, and keep sharing my videos with your neighbors and your colleagues so that they will be benefited with these videos so that they can also study at their home. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind all of you.